Check 1, 2. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing today? This is your boy, Hey John, where I jabber opportunities nonstop, and I cover the fundamentals, and I cover the live technical analysis, which is what you're seeing right now, folks. Okay? Your boy has bought some blockchain software to see into the blockchain to further create more value for you. To redeem this special offer, all you need to do is smash that like button, okay, folks? All you need to do is smash the subscribe button, okay? It's 4 easy payments of free. All you need to do is smash that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button so you are notified when I drop these hits, folks. Of course, this stuff here is provided to you for free, and I try to create as much value for you guys. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Rosa Melendez. How are you doing? Good morning, Dustin. Hi, Casey. Hey, Missiel. Hey, Isaac. John Metcalf. What's up, John Metcalf? I'm Johnny Metcalf. Sorry, Johnny. Robin Wong. Isaac. Good morning, Isaac. Thank you for wishing me a good morning, man. Wolf Nas. What's up, Wolf Nas? Payung Hawan. Good morning. Good evening, John. Greetings from Korea. I've been waiting for your live. Hey, what's up, Pyong? You're very welcome, brother. Welcome back to the show, brother. Rose, Peacock Palace, Jose Lewis, Abdul, Lincoln Express. What is up, everyone? What is up, everyone? Good morning. How are you all doing? What's up? What's up? Okay. Rick Z UK. What's up, UK in the house, folks? UK in the house. Gilbert Griffin. Good morning, Gilbert. Mac the Creator. Hey, what up to you, Mac? What up? What up? What's good, brother? What's good? All right. What's up, the Bushes? G Fire. JNYC. Steph. Jason Morales. Good morning, Humberto. Alex. Luke. Kareve McFarland. Jody Flowers here. Do only good every day. That is what I'm talking about, man. That is what I'm talking about. Nigel, no. Nigel. Trap Daddy Flex. Brendan, Noel. Let's see, Crypto Dummy here. Other timers. Nombeko, Abduli, Casey, Andrew, JNYC, Brahim, Code and Chris. Good morning, everyone. How is my Doge family doing today? How is my Doge family doing today? Ma Contessa Lingua. Okay. YN Coleman. Lucky Vibes. What's up, Alex? The Goat Tyler. Deep Deepanch Singh. Ryan Stockwell. Dave Sukram. Blair Black Moon. Roger O'Kara. Kev J, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are having a phenomenal morning or a fantastic evening, depending on what part of the world you are from. Stephen Hill, Sandeep, Ellie Hangouts, Ryan Stockwell, Gilbert, Happy, Kevin Willie, Tyler Hornback, Chris Stable, Casey Wallen, Crystal 313, the DJ Doge up in the house, DJ Doge up in the house, representing the beautiful city of London and the phenomenal country of the United Kingdom. Let's go. I like that. Salman Wadawa, Dave, Ma Contessa, Andrew, Angel, Ralph, Elijah, Chris, Angel, Dave, Alex, Elijah. Okay, Johnny Scott, Wisconsin, Chicago, Lena Z. Fantastic, man. We got some people from the beautiful United States of America. Mikey likes it 74. Good morning, John. Did you get some rest? I got a little bit. I didn't sleep too much, but I got some rest though. Joey, good morning, Joey. Eric, what's up? Kevin, Dave, Da Bushes. Let's go. Don't worry, folks. We will get started in a quick moment. Don't worry. We will get started in a very, very quick moment. Do not worry. Your boy will take care of you. Do not be concerned. Jason, good morning, buddy. Fred, oh, Fried Gamer. Ooh, Holy Tendo. Yes, yes, I love every you guys. Thank you for joining me, folks. Thank you for joining me. Oh man, Long Beach, California. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Misal Moreno. Let's get young Benzo here. Um, Robert Silver Photography. Richard Klein. Okay, okay. Richard Klein and your wife. Good morning. All right, I remember you guys giving me a shout out for that. Say hi to my wife thing. So, all right, Jay Cola. Good morning from John from PA. Okay, folks. let me go ahead and get into the charts now, folks. All right, let's go. Let's get to it now. Let's start the daily, and let's see what it's looking like on the daily, folks. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, folks, on the daily here. Okay, on the daily. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. So on the daily here, right? Let me see if I still have. Let me see if I still have my number, my number from yesterday, so I do not have to do the recalculation. Let's see here. Okay, I think I have it. Fantastic. I can use that and just put the new ones in. Okay, I see. So give me a quick second, folks. I'll take 243.161.0073 0.0073. Okay, folks. So the histogram is showing the 243.161 and now 0.073 here. So basically we're seeing a difference, and the difference is increasing. So this tells me on a daily here, on the daily time frame here, the bears are in full control, and they have actually gained more control in the past. What was my live stream like yesterday? I would say maybe the past 12 hours ago. So I just want to emphasize that, I'm not trying to incite fear or fearmonger or anything. I'm just saying that, based on the chart here, and what it's telling me via the histogram, because all of this is data driven here for the most part, and my interpretation of this, is that the bears are in full control, and the bears have actually increased their control. So that is for you to know. Just make sure you know it, folks. Okay, do not turn a blind eye, folks. Do not turn a blind eye. You need to know what you're seeing. Okay, so currently the 50 and 200 is currently at a 10.27 and 0.0379. Obviously, if we consolidate around here for the most part, we are going to be moving the price up and keeping the long-term bullish momentum. But on a short term here, we're seeing a MACD on a 12-day moving average coming down here at an extreme velocity. Okay, which means it's going down very, very sharp. Okay, so then and now we're seeing the 26 moving average now, right? It's still going up, but you're seeing the velocity slow down, and you're seeing it kind of curl back down now. So this means the bears are taking control of the longer time frame as well, and this shows me the bulls are relinquishing that control, and via the histogram we are seeing an increased velocity to the downside. So the bears are definitely taking control, in my opinion here. Okay, but the bullish thing to note is that we are still in the bullish MACD territory. So this means the bulls still have a chance. The bulls still have a chance to take it back and bounce back up, but they need to do it sooner rather than later, folks. Okay, and just to put it into perspective as well, we had a bull run for about 10 to 12 days, and now I believe this is our fourth bear day. So if all things are equal here, and for some reason we get 10 to 12 days of bull run and we get a 10 to 12 days bear run, we are probably maybe 40% into our current bear run. We are probably 40% into our current bear run. So making the possible assumption that, hey, you know what? If we had a 12-day bull run, we will have a 12-day bear run. Just to give it a easy and quite possible scenario here, just to give you some idea right now. So If it's 4 out of 12 days so far, then I would say we're about a third in, okay? So we definitely need to exercise some patience, and there will be some amazing dip buying opportunities. That is for sure, man. We just need to exercise some patience. If you bought high and you're holding a bag, then you just need to be patient and get those dips because they are coming, folks. They are coming. They are coming, man. All right, so let's go here. Let's see here. Now let's go to a 4-hour chart now and see what's going on. The 4-hour chart will give us more insight, actually. Let's see here. All right, the 4-hour chart. In the 4-hour chart here, to me, the bears look like they are in full control in the 4-hour chart as well, because the 12 and 26 are both aiming down parallel, and they're going down in a pretty strong velocity and trajectory, in my opinion here. Let me go ahead and do a quick calculation of these histograms for you. Let's see, 141. Okay. The only bullish thing we're seeing here is the histogram is starting to slow down. Okay, 0.141, 0.0119. Now it's 0.0108. So we're seeing a decrease in the histogram. So the downward velocity is actually now going to the upside. But to me, even though that looks positive and temporary bullishness, I would say it's more bearish because that increased velocity is so slow. To me, it looks like the bears are just taking a quick breather before they continue the bear run down. And as you know, before I just said it 5 minutes ago, we've had a 10 to 12 day bull run, so we may have a 10 to 12 day bear run. And as you know, we are only beginning. Well, not beginning. We're probably halfway towards the 4th day right now. So as you know, we have about 6 more days at the very minimum for the bear run to continue, assuming that we have the bears and bulls be equals. Elon Musk, let's go Army. John the best channel all day every day. Heart, waving hand. Hey Rocket, flex biceps. United States flag and moon. Thank you, Elon Musk. I appreciate the love, brother. I really do. I really do, man. So okay. So to me, this still looks bearish in my opinion here. I mean, even though it's ticking back up, but in my opinion here, this is definitely more bearish than bullish in my opinion here. Just based on the way it looks, you know. Let's see here. Let's see what is going on, folks. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Let's see. Let's go. Let's see what else we have here. Alrighty then. Okie dokie. All right. Good morning, everyone. If you are just joining me, I am covering the daily and now the 4-hour sticks. I'm sorry, the daily and now the 4-hour charts to give you the trends of the day, and you can use that accordingly to plan your day and make your trades and however you want to do feel like that. You know what I mean? So okay. Currently, as I've been mentioning for the past 2 days already, I was saying that the 50 is starting to slow down, and that means the bears are starting to take control on the forward chart on the 50 MA. So that means that the bears are coming in with volume to slow down the bullish train here. Because as you can see, let me circle the inflection point. All right, folks. So from right here, this green circle right here, this green circle is when the bulls were in full control still, and they were moving up here, right? And you were seeing a nice strong trajectory. But from here on out, you can see the 50 MA trajectory start to slow down and start curling back down. And now in the 4-hour chart, the 50 MA, it's almost flatlined. Okay, folks? That means in the next few more sticks here, maybe another day, because as you know, this is a 4-hour time frame, and 4 hours means one candlestick. So I would say maybe in the next 24 to 36 hours, we may seeing this, we may see this flat line. If that flat lines, that means the bulls are in bear. The bulls and bears on a 4 hour longer time frame on a 50 MA. They are now in indecision here. They are now in indecision. So that means that in order for the bulls to win, they need to consolidate above here. Okay, folks. If the bulls consolidate above this grayish rectangular area here, okay, that means that means the bulls will regain control and start the next bull run. However, folks, if we continue to consolidate around here, okay, if we consolidate in this grayish rectangular area, this means the bears will, well, I would say the bears more than likely will take the reins from the bulls and bring the 50 MA down and have it charge towards the 200 MA. And as you know, again, folks, this is the 4 hour chart, so it's gonna take some time to develop here. But so basically, all we can do is wait and watch. But the way the MACD is currently looking here, and the way I'm seeing the histogram move as well, it's telling me the bears are in full control, and they're gonna take it sooner rather than later. And just to put it into perspective, right now we are on the 4th day of their bear run. So you know, it just be what it be, folks. You know, it's okay to have bull and bear runs. We just need to be aware of what's going on and just watch it to check it out, folks. Okay. And I did want to emphasize that so you guys are aware of it, so you can plan accordingly and make your trades here. All right, folks. Let me go ahead and so that's a 4 hour chart here, okay? So let me go ahead and go into the hour chart and see what's going on, folks. Let's go. All right, the 1 hour chart is looking, on the 1 hour chart here, it is looking extremely choppy here. Very peculiar here. I wonder why it's so choppy. Let me try refreshing the page. Maybe Binance isn't giving me some data. I'm not sure. Looking very, very choppy. Okay. All right. Okay, much better. Okay. I guess Binance was looking a little messed up right there. So lucky I knew that, and I refreshed the page, and now it looks much, much better now. All right, folks. Oops. Okay. Okie dokie. All right. So on the okay. On the 1 hour chart, on the 1 hour chart here, the 12 and 26 are both charging up to the bullish side here, and via histogram, on the histogram right now, currently, as of this moment here, on a more short time frame, on the 1 hour here, the bulls look like they are starting to take control, and that is looking pretty good, man. In my opinion, here, on a short time frame here, the bulls are starting to wake up on a short time frame. On a short time frame, and it looks like they want to take control. In my opinion, here, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. It is evidenced by the 12 and 26 moving back up, folks. Looking pretty good in my opinion here. So again, I want to emphasize the current daily and 4 hour is clearly in the bearish perspective. The trend is bear, right? But on 1 hour, the 1 hour, we are seeing the bulls starting to wake up though. But of course, we are still in the bearish territory, so the bulls can easily take it back, folks. The bears can easily take back control on the 1 hour time frame, even though it's looking pretty bullish right now. So pretty interesting right now. So we need to see this we need to see how this plays out. But I do want to emphasize that since we are in the bearish trend here, this is probably not very likely, because again, this is the beginning of the bull run. So unless we see, 1 second, let me go ahead and gear so many things here so it can be easily seen. Give me a quick second. All right, let's see here. Here we go. Okay. Okie dokie. So I did draw this turquoise line for you guys, or teal line here. Let me see when I drew it. Maybe like a day or two ago or something. I'm not even sure, man. But when I drew it though, I was telling you that if we follow this scenario here, and we are following it to some degree here, that means we're going to see lower lows and higher lows, and that is exactly what we are seeing currently, folks. So we are definitely seeing some downside right now, and we are right now seeing some inklings of the bulls taking back control. But as I said before, the trend is currently in the bear's favor here. So this, to me, as bullish as it looks, to me, I don't think you really see anything really good, anything good in terms of bulls coming out of this. So I suspect we will probably follow this Q line here and kind of pop back up and come back down, and therefore seeing a possible lower low and a possible lower low and a possible higher low as well. So we need to see if we can see a support instead of a lower low. If we see a support instead of a lower low, this tells me that the bulls are literally starting to wake up, and we can possibly see a nice bottom. And in the future, next few days here, the bulls can start taking it back. So we definitely need to watch it and see how this unfolds. I would say in the next, maybe the next 1 day, 1 day and a half is going to be very critical for the bulls. So I will be watching it for sure. I'll be watching it for sure, man. All right. So again, yesterday we saw this nice volume here, right? About let's see here, 104 million, and then 180, so about 284 million in about 2 hours here. And we saw this nice wick, folks. Okay, we saw this nice wick right here. This nice wick is saying people were flash crashing, which means people were probably getting margin called, so their positions were getting liquidated all at once there, and that's why you were seeing this nice candlestick down. And when you saw this flash crash and it was pushing the price down so fast and pushing the price down so fast, people were seeing opportunities and they were coming in and buying it up because they were saying, "Oh my God, this is a very, very good price. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get in while it's hot." And yesterday, we cut this live when it happened, and we were watching it for the whole time. So it was literally exciting. So if you were there, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay. So yes, so that's the current 1 hour chart MACD here. So currently on the 1 hour time frame for the 50 or 200 here, it's clearly in a bearish cross, and the bears are in complete control because we're seeing a divergence between the 250 here. So when you see this, you're going to see more price pressure to the downside. But we are seeing lots of conflicting different indicators right now. So you see different conflicting indicators. This tells you we are starting to see lots of indecision here. That's why I'm saying the bulls can start taking it back because we were seeing lots of indecision. So a day or two ago, the bears in 100% clear control, and there was no doubt whatsoever. But now we are seeing the bulls starting to wake up here. That's kind of why you're seeing the indicators start going back and forth, and you're seeing like, oh, this is yes, this is no, this is yes, this is no. But again, if you're a bull, this is good though. This is good though, folks. If you're a bull, this is good because you want to see some indecision. Because if you see indecision, this means we are starting to see some tick ups here. So not a bad thing in my opinion. Not a bad thing in my opinion. Okay, so I just want to cover that real quick. Let's go to the 50-minute chart here, okay? Let's go ahead and go into the 50-minute chart. And by the way, hi everyone. How are you all doing today? I hope you are all having a good day. I really do. I really do. I see over 750 people here. How are you doing? Good morning, man. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, folks. On the 50-minute chart here, right? On the 50-minute chart, it is looking quite bullish, and as you know, the 50-minute chart is a shorter time frame. The 50-minute is a shorter time frame, so this is looking quite bullish in my opinion here. So again, we are trending back up, folks. So check it out. Nice histogram movement. You know what? Let me do a few quick calculations to see what the velocity is. Give me a quick second. 28. Let's see here. 0.027. So you got here 0.019, 0. Oops. Next one's gonna be 0.0013, 0.013. All right, so I would say on the 50-minute chart here, the bulls are definitely starting to take control, man. So we are seeing like literally a 0.1 here, right? A 0.001, and then we moving up here a 0.008, and now a 0.006. So this is telling me we are seeing increased velocity, right, from here to here, but now it's kind of decreasing a little bit. But the velocity is still pretty strong though. So this tells me the bulls are starting to take control on the 50-minute chart, and the fact that we are looking to reset around the 50-minute right here and possibly do something like this right here. Let's see, do something. We can possibly do something like this. If this happens, this means the bears are going to be. I'm sorry, the bulls are going to be in temporary control, folks. All right, temporary controls. Temporary control. That means we're going to see higher lows and higher highs. And if we do this for a long time, it will affect the 4-hour and daily as well. So again, this is the beginning, folks. Okay, this is the beginning. This is the beginning of the next bull trend, in my opinion. But again, the beginning means it's starting very slow, and we need to be patient and to see how this plays out, folks. And of course, we are going to get some phenomenal dip buying opportunities. So do not be concerned if you are holding a bag currently. I assure you, you will get some dip buying opportunities, and we've been seeing it. I've been calling it out. I hope that, and some people are capitalizing on it. So I do hope you are, catching these amazing dips here, and hopefully making that moolah. But and also on a 15-minute time frame here, we are seeing the 26th and the velocity go down, and now we're seeing the velocity decrease a little bit from the strong velocity to the downside. So this tells me the bulls are starting to wake up even in the longer time frame in the 15-minute here. So that's looking really, really good if you're a bull. And we need to see this this green line play out if you want to see a higher low and higher high, folks. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. If we see a higher low and a higher high, this means we will break the 2362 support. I'm sorry, the 2362 resistance. And for the longest time, the 2362 was an amazing support. But now we are seeing it kind of pull back here, and it's kind of fighting a run at currently right below the 2362. Let's see if the bulls can take it back in the next few hours. And if the green scenario here plays out on a MACD here, this means we could see a potential price around here for the next higher high. Okay, folks. So in my opinion here, on a short time frame, the bulls are definitely taking it, and they are looking like they want to take the control back because they are tired of being down. So let's go, let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. So as you know, as the current 250 is literally in the bearish territory. So that means that means the bulls are in full control in the longer time frame. Keyword: longer moving averages. So 250 longer moving average. Okay. And the reason why is because we saw a bearish cross. Let's see when we saw a bearish cross. Where is it at? Right here, folks. Okay. But last night around like 1:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the bearish cross has lasted. Let's see how long it's lasted so far. Okay. Let's see. It's lasted for about. The bearish cross has lasted for about 2 days and 18 hours. Man, oh man. Let's see. When was the next bullish cross here? The last bullish cross lasted about 2 days. All right. So it looks like every 2 days, from a short-term perspective here, every 2 days we see the bull run and bear run here. So if we see this change soon, we can see a possible 2-day run up for the bull run on a 15-minute time frame. It looks good. Again, looks good in my opinion. And again, this is the current trend here, folks. If we consolidate around here, all right, If we consolidate in this grayish rectangular area, this means that if we can consolidate in this grayish rectangular area, this means we are more likely to go back to the upside, and we are more likely to have the 50 MA cross the 200 MA over time. But again, this will take time to happen. I would say maybe in the next day, give it some time, maybe 12 hours. It's hard to say because the volume is just, because the volume just isn't there right now. So we just need to watch it and play out, folks. That's all you gotta do. Yes, yes, and welcome everyone. Welcome everyone, folks. If you're just joining, welcome everyone. All right, how you doing? How are you doing? All right, so that's what you see currently right there. And let's see. Let's take a quick break and see what you guys are seeing in the chat here. Let's see here. Well off vids. The correction was normal. A stock can't just go 7% in the span of a week and not see a drop. And well off vids. It sounds like you've been on the market for quite some time, buddy. And I could not agree more with you. Gain station. I just don't understand people that panic sell. People that trade off emotions get wrecked 100% of the time. I could not agree more, man. Okay, Mike PT. People, if you buy Doge, you don't sell unless you actually need the money. You shouldn't buy crypto with money you need unless it's your actual job. At Mike PT, exactly, man, exactly. I've been saying that for the longest time, folks. You only put your fund money in here. You do not put your any other money. Okay, do not put your rent money. Do not put your food money. Do not put your car money into it. Only your fund money, like your beer money, your Starbucks money. You know. Let's see here. Peggy Piercefield. I'm not selling. I am long term. Selling with screw my taxes am. Okay, okay. Not good, not good. You don't want to mess with your taxes, man. Haha, DJ Doge. Only a dumb move if you sell. That's true, that's true. Kareem Slade. The 1 hour chart is in a range, and I think it's going to rotate back to the top of the range. You know, Kareem, I think that's quite possible. I think that's quite possible. But at the same token, we are seeing headwinds on the 4 hour and daily here, where the bears are in complete control. So the 1 hour time frame is literally going to be fighting against a trend currently. So I mean, could it happen? Yes, it could happen, but it's going to face a lot of headwinds, and we are going to need some consolidation in order to create that possible scenario there. So I suspect it may not happen today. But things can always happen, right? All right, so let's get back to the charts now. Let's get. Oh, here we go. Oh, Joseph Zug. For people panicking, don't. This is just a correction, along with short-term whales, investors getting out to make a profit. It will go back up. It will go up. It will go back up now. And oh, I'm sorry. It will go back up, and now is a time to invest. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I would agree with that sentiment. I always tell you guys that I like to go shopping on bloody red days. Bloody red days are actually my favorite days because then I get a huge discount, and I like shopping for discounts. Here we go. Here we go. Brick Z89. SpaceX on moon equals Doge on the moon. Buy and hold. I could not agree more, man. I could not agree more. What you guys are seeing right now, what you guys are witnessing is a Black Friday sale, okay? You're seeing things at 50% off right now. So if you're concerned about that, I mean, I definitely like me some 50% off stuff. So hopefully you do too. All right. Let's get back to them charts. Okay, folks, breaking news, folks. Breaking news. I just saw the 50 MA right here on this green circle here, yellow circle here. It just curled up, okay? It just curled up. So to me, that is looking pretty darn good in my opinion here, okay? Breaking news. The 50 MA has just turned up. So this tells me the bulls are starting to take temporary control. Again, the keyword being temporary control. They need to consolidate in this rectangular box, okay, which ranges from 2240 up to 2689. If they can consolidate around that grayish rectangular box, yes, the bulls will definitely the bulls will definitely have some power to take it back. So I just want to emphasize it to you guys, if you are concerned, folks. Okay, so you know what's gonna happen when I give you so you know what happens, because I give you the bearish scenarios and I give you the bullish scenarios, so you can plan accordingly. There is no wrong or right. You can be a bear, you can be a bull, because guess what? Bulls make money and bears make money. There is no problem either which way. All right, but you need to know both sides if you want to make the moolah, though. Okay. Okay, so let's go into the 1 minute chart and see what's going on, folks. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, folks. Breaking news, folks. Breaking news here on the 1 minute chart. Here, I am seeing a nice bullish confirmation to the upside. So this tells me the bulls are going to take control on the 1 minute time frame sooner rather than later, in my opinion, because I am seeing a nice confirmation. I am seeing a nice volume confirmation to the upside. And we are seeing the 50 MA charge towards the 200 MA. Okay, the 200 MA is currently at 2302. The 50 MA is 2257, and it looks like the bulls are fighting around the 200 MA, and they are taking control currently. So currently we are seeing some consolidation around the 200-day moving average, which is about 23025. If the bulls can maintain this, we will definitely start seeing more bullish trends on the short time frames here, and it's clearly being shown right now. It is clearly being shown in the shorter time frames that the bulls are going to take the reins back. Okay, we are seeing a nice increase on the 50 MA, very sharp here. We just saw the 200 MA curl back up a little bit. All right, it had a very strong downward trajectory, and we just saw it slow. We just saw its strong downward trajectory tick up a little bit. Now the 200 MA is starting to almost look like it's flatlining. So again, the longer the bulls do this here, we're gonna see more upside, folks. The bulls are definitely right now taking control on these shorter time frames. This is looking phenomenal. If you're a bull, this is what you want to see, man. For sure. If you're a bull, this is what you want to see. So looking extremely bullish on the short term here, and we are seeing some nice volume confirmation as of this moment here. But as you know, last night when we did a live stream here, we were seeing tons of buy signals and then tons of sell signals following it the next minute here. So we may see something like that again, but who knows? Hard to say, man. Hard to say. But last night was incredible. Non-stop buy signals and non-stop sell signals. So last night we were seeing day traders and investors come in full droves. But right now, as of this moment, as of this moment here, we are seeing the bulls take control, and we're going to see some nice pressure to the upside sooner rather than later. And if the bulls can cross this 50 to 200 here, that means let's see here. Let's give a quick example here. Let's see. We can possibly see the bulls take control for the possibly next 5 to 6 hours here. Okay, folks. If we see another bullish cross, that means the bulls can potentially have another 5 to 6 hour bullish run there. So if you're a bull, that is really good, and in my opinion, that is extremely bullish. All right. If you look at it from a 1 hour perspective, okay, I will show you something right now. On the 1 hour perspective, we are seeing literally right here, we are seeing platforms being built here. Okay, so what I'm saying here is let me draw for you guys. Let's see here. We are seeing Mario jump from here to here to here, folks. Okay, Mario is increasing his platforms every single time here, and he's making nice stepping stones to the upside right now. So again, folks, I'm gonna say right now, I would say the temporary resistance for the day is gonna be here, folks. It's going to be here. All right. The temporary support slash resistance for a day, okay, is gonna be 21.45. If 1 second, let me draw it straight. 1 second. Here we go. The temporary support and resistance is gonna be 21.13. Okay, folks, you do not want to see 21.13 breaks. If it breaks, we are definitely going back to the downside. Okay, you want to see it bounce off there and come back up. So I just want to emphasize that to you guys. All right. Fantastic, fantastic. All right, folks. So now I'm gonna go into the blockchain data here. There's your boy. He pays for this out of his own pocket for the blockchain data here, so he can create more value for you guys and give you more insight into the actual blockchain data, so you can make educated decisions on seeing, hey, where are the bag holders and where are the bull supporters, and you can see how many people are holding what, and that kind of thing right there. So you can pay for this for 4 easy payments of free. All you need to do is smash that subscribe button to redeem this offer. If you do this, you'll be notified when I drop these hits, and you do not want to miss out, because these things here will make you a better trader and better investor. So let's get to it. All right. Let's go into the blockchain and let's see what's going on, folks. Let's see what is going on. Let me go ahead and refresh this, because this is live data typing into the blockchain. So let's see what's going on. All right, let me go ahead and do a quick download of the data here and do some analysis for you on the side. Give me a quick second, folks. Quick second. Let's see. So let me go ahead and do some quick breakdown for you, and I will read it off to you guys. Okay. All right, folks, I am almost done. Just give me a moment and we will continue. Alrighty then. Okay. So these these 4 green circles here, okay? These 4 green circles comprise about 5,054 individuals from 0.200 cents up to 0.229 cents, okay? That's about a 2.9 cent range right there for the most part. And again, we have 5,054 individuals in this price range, and they are holding 915 million Dogecoin. All right, they are holding 915 million Dogecoin. You see these 5 red circles here, okay? I'm sorry, 6. Sorry, these 6 red circles here. The price range is from 236,618 up to the high of 272,323. The difference is at about 0.0357 cents, okay? In these 6 red circles here, we have 4,789 bag holders. Combined value of Dogecoin, they hold 2 billion Dogecoin. So they are holding a significant amount of Dogecoin. So we definitely want to see us break the 23,6989, because that is going to be your next possible. Wait, you know what? Your next possible resistance. But I'm gonna say 1 second here. Let me see. 844. Okay, I'm gonna say 2440 up to about 251 is going to be your resistance, because we have 952 individuals here who hold a combined value of 837 million Dogecoin. So to me, the scenario here is that these people here from 244 up to 251, they may get bored, or they may not believe in Dogecoin anymore, and these 952 individuals may just say, hey, you know what? Let me take the minor loss and move on to the next trade, you know. So you may see that, or you may see these individuals say, hey, you know what, I'm gonna keep my position, and I'm gonna buy a dip so you can move back up. All right. So these are the possible scenarios, in my opinion, of what can happen. Tech on Tesla. As soon as it hits around 29 cents, the whales will sell. I cash everything out at 23 cents. As soon as it crashes, I'm gonna put my 21K back in. Okay, on Tesla. That's a-okay, buddy. A-okay, man. You know that could happen. Who knows, man? Who knows? That could happen, or it may not happen, right? No one knows, man. But currently, I'm gonna say right now, on the current bullish trend on our shorter time frames, the bulls are in definite control, though. Okay. Let's see here. The next resistance, in my opinion, is gonna be from 265 to up to a high of 2723, okay, comprising of about 708 million Dogecoin given to 874 individuals. So again, same scenario in my opinion here. Same scenario in my opinion. Some of these people here might just get bored, or they don't believe anymore, so they may sell here, or they just want to take the minor loss and just see what's going on for the most part. So, and move on to the next trade. So these are the possible scenarios here. In my opinion, these are the possible scenarios. So that's what I see coming right now, folks. I mean, it could potentially happen, but all right. So this is blockchain data, folks. You know, so you're getting it for four easy payments of free. So all you need to do to redeem the special offer is smash that subscribe button. So let me go ahead and go back into the charts now and see what is going on. All right. Let's see what is going on with the charts now. Let's go. All right, bulls are in full control. We're seeing some nice price action here. Bobby S. Hopefully that dip clear out the suckers. At Bobby S, I would say so, man. The reason why you see flash crashes is because people get margin called and all at once, and then you see everyone get liquidated at the same time. That's why you see huge volume sometimes, you know. But again, that's one of the many possibilities. There's no guarantee as to why the flash crash happens. But in my experience, though, that is usually the reason why, though. Margin calls all at once, and boom, goes on real quick. Okay. So let's go ahead and go into the 1 hour chart real quick to see what's going on, folks. Okay. Let's see what is going on in the 1 hour chart. All right, folks. The 1 hour chart is following this nice green arrow I drew here currently. Well, at least the histogram is here. And on the 1 hour chart here, we're seeing a strong increase in the histogram, literally from about a 0.0007 histogram increase here. So the bulls are definitely taking control in the short time frame here. Okay, the bulls are taking complete control in the 1 hour time frame. The only bearish part in the 1 hour is that, guess what? We are in the bearish territory, but we are seeing on the 1 minute chart, we are seeing the 50 cross the 200 right there. So we may potentially see a 5 to 6 hour bull run. So we're gonna have time to see this 1 hour here increase its price action to the upside, and we need to see this happen, folks. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, we need to see this happen. We need to see this yellow line happen. If it happens, the bulls are in control, and this is going to go from a crash to a recovery. If you follow the turquoise line here, the teal line, that means this crash will continue to be a crash, and means we will see a higher low and a lower low. So that's what it means. I am going to give you guys a quick I'm gonna give you guys all the quick support and resistance right now. Okay, the at 1428, 1912, 2342, 2937, 3275, 3453, 37.71, and 39.50. These are going to be your supports and resistance, okay? And one more thing. Okay? So yes. Let me go back into the, you know what? Let's do 5 minutes. Probably easier to see. All right. And again, I do want to draw this pink line for you guys real quick, all right? Okay. This pink line here, that's pink line of around 2185 is going to be your temporary support / resistance, okay? You do not want to see it break down. If anything, you want to, if you're a bull, you want to see it bounce off this. You want to see it bounce off this and go back to the upside, okay? If you're a bull, you want to see this, you want to see the yellow line you want to see the yellow line scenario play out, okay? So currently we have broke that pink, and currently the bulls are looking very, very good, okay? So again, it's your boy Hey John, where I jabber opportunities nonstop. And if you enjoy this kind of live content where I give you live technical analysis, make sure you pay 4 easy payments of free. All right? To get this offer, all you need to do is smash that subscribe button. All right? So I will catch you all on the next one. I will be ending the live stream here. Okay, folks? I will catch you all on the next one. I hope you all have a phenomenal day and take care and bless up, man. Bless up. Goodbye, folks.